First, we just need to pull the muffler clamp, and 1, 2, 3 bolts for the muffler itself. Slide the muffler off. Alright, first you're going to do the 10mm clamp. Back off enough, it'll slide off. 14mm for the main bolts. Alright, slide that off. It's ridiculously heavy for a muffler. While the brake's still together, set the park brake, and you can break your main axle nut free. I've already cracked it loose, but it's quite tight, and it helps if the tire is on the ground on the center stand. You can just tip it back. That's a 22mm. Now, 12mm socket. Just pull your bottom shock bolt off. I loosened everything here already. This will slide out of your way enough to get the wheel off once we finish with it. Now there's an Allen, takes a 5mm. There's one here and one here, and you can lift the air box out of the way. Now there's a bolt under here which holds the brake cables down. I'll lift the air box out of the way and remove that. Let's see, turn the socket on that. Brake calipers next. Make sure you release your park brake. You'll need a 12mm socket on these. That will come free. Next thing is these swing arm bolts. One down here, one up underneath. It's 14mm for those. Very beneficial stuff. Now this takes a little bit of frigging around, but if you move everything out of the way, this will slide off. You got a spacer. And then wheel. There. Pretty quick job, doesn't take too long to remove.